精彩之外咧，其實當中嘅主題曲都好重要㗎。點解呢位我係因為啟動片當中咧，想介紹一下《甜蜜的誘惑》嘅主題曲。主唱嘅呢位歌手咧好年輕，咁佢參加過咧就係 Superstar K，亦都因為呢個比賽咧展現到佢嘅音樂才華。不如借大家掌聲，歡迎呢套劇嘅主題曲嘅主唱者高拿益 ，Big hand to welcome 拿益。welcome 拿益 welcome。咁啊，可能大家覺得點解拿益喺度，咁啊得劉柏希喺度，翻譯完之後 Sue 咧，因為咧拿益就唔需要即係翻譯嘅，因為我知道咧佢就係韓國嘅名校啦，黎巴女子大學嘅英文系學生，所以可以直接咧用英文嚟溝通啦。I just mentioned that I don't need an interpreter here because we actually speak English. You're actually studying the OMR University, Pure University, made in English. So why not say a hi in Korean and English to all our friends and audiences here?
大家好，我係高拿益。안녕하세요. 제 이름은 고나영이라고 합니다. 이렇게 자리를 초대해주셔서 정말 감사드리겠습니다. Hello, this is 고나영. Thank you for inviting me here today. Nice to meet you.
我哋Big Cat 有三文三語嘅，three language 嘅。Okay, so I said it's nice to meet you here. And then in Hong Kong actually, what impression that Hong Kong gave you? 我就想問高拿益嚟過香港嚟咧，香港俾你印象係點樣嘅咧？What do you feel about Hong Kong?
I came to Hong Kong when I was 8 years old.
8 years old.
Yeah, with my family for sightseeing. So I'm really happy because actually it is the first time that I sing a song for as a singer today. And this is
how do you feel excited right now?
I'm really nervous, but I'm really happy because Hong Kong was the first country that I visited at the first time for a trip. So it is honored that I can sing a song today at the stage for the first time.
咁啊，高拿益就話咧，其實佢8歲嗰時候咧就跟個屋企人嚟香港就遊覽嘅，咁但係我真係企喺香港表演做歌手唱歌咧，咁真係第一次，咁佢就話佢非常之佢開心，但係非常之緊張。咁我諗現場朋友可唔可以俾啲鼓勵高拿益咧？就 Big Hand to encourage 拿益。我講surprise you，跟住雙眼長者。OK，我知道你咧就一路兼顧緊學業啦，同埋你嘅音樂事業啦。佢哋有冇任何嘅困難咧？I know you have been developing your music career as well as your study at university. So any hard time in between?
Sometimes it was hard to it is hard to concentrate on all of them, but I really wanted to make them go well. Now I'm doing it.
OK，咁我其實咧兩者係難嘅，因為兩者都好難去話集中。咁但係佢都話兩者都希望做到最好。咁佢而家覺得冇問題㗎啦，都可以做到啦。咁another time you have a great chance to work with a singer. I don't want to say you senior, you famous, okay? Like Rishi or Nancy the Fox for the OST, the original soundtrack of this movie, The Sweet Temptation. Can you share some of your upcoming plans in your music career? 我問高拿益就係話今次嗰度好榮幸咧，可以同一啲即係前輩嘅歌手，例如之前同 Nancy the Fox 咧喺今次嘅《甜蜜的誘惑》嘅原聲大碟當中合作啦。咁但係嚟緊喺音樂上邊有咩計劃咧？What's your own plan in your music career?
First of all, it's a big honor that I can sing one soundtrack for Taylor Swift drama, which is an amazing artist. I'm not officially debuted as a singer right now, so as always I try my best to prepare my debut, and I really want to really show myself more with various songs, and I really want to make it.
幾多獎咧？